Welcome to Wine Fact Wednesday. Now, we're all familiar with the act of toasting, and I'm sure many of us miss raising a glass with friends and family in the light of the COVID-19 lockdown. But have you ever wondered where toasting actually came from? Well, you'll be disappointed to hear that the old origin story of it being a way to prevent poisoning in ancient times is actually a myth. The idea being that glasses clinked together would slosh poisoned liquid from one to the other, thus preventing anyone from trying to poison you. Now, it sounds legit, and I wouldn't be surprised if it was garnered from some kernel of truth, but unfortunately there's no actual evidence to support it. Something we do know, however, is that the term toasting came from the 16th century. Somewhat unsurprisingly, first documented by one William Shakespeare, the drinker would literally put a piece of toast in the wine. Why, you ask? Well, in days gone by, winemaking and storage simply wasn't what it is today. It was thought that the piece of toast would absorb up any of that kind of astringency or acidity and improve the flavour of off bottles or off vintages. It also aided in finding something to do with stale bread in a time where people were considerably less wasteful than they are today. The bread would often be flavoured with fruits or spices, really anything to improve the palatability of both the wine and the bread. As to the actual origin of the clinking, there are accounts of the practice across 6,000 years of human history, from the ancient Sumerians and Greeks right through the Shang dynasty of early China, Attila the Hun, of course all the way through pagan, through medieval Europe, yet we still don't know the precise point of origin. Despite all that, and more than ever in these trying times, it's nice to know that every time we raise a glass, we're sharing a moment with 6 millennia of people that have gone before, and hopefully that lie ahead. Until next time, cheers.